What can ruin your fishing trip quicker than a flat boat trailer tire? I'll tell you guys, not having a spare to put back on it. That's right, not having a spare. We're gonna talk spare tires today. I started the video with the finished product. I've added this. So, I did not originally have a spare tire when I bought the boat. Believe it or not, some boats don't come with spare tires unless you pay for them. That's an option, you know, on some things, and I don't understand that, but hey. So we got that fixed today. Me and my buddy Bobby Bones. Yeah, I got him here. He's hanging out somewhere. I went and bought from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you guys need a spare tire carrier. This is what I purchased, and it comes with all the hardware. I'll show you right quick. Basically, this thing's gonna mount up. This is the part that'll hold your spare tire, and these holes will line up plate front to back just like that. So I'm just gonna piece things together. What? Man, dude has showed up to help me on the boat. Mr. Bobby Bones, thanks brother. I can use the help. Yeah, that's my trolling motor. Yep. All right, let's get back to business here, showing these good people. Man, your foot's gonna be right in my face, dude. You don't want to tighten anything down right now. And I'm not gonna tell you any sizes of the nuts and bolts because they all vary, different kits you get. So you can actually just about install this with adjustable wrenches. So, all right. I'm gonna piece these together like this. The kit that I've got are 4 longer bolts and 2 shorter bolts. And these 2 short bolts will be what goes through the spare tire. So got this on there, the 4 longer bolts. So you got 2 at the top, 2 on the bottom down here where you can't see right now. But I'm realizing my trailer back here flares out. As you see, this comes out. So if you've got this too far back, the spare tire is possibly gonna hit this. This is why I tell you, do not tighten anything down yet so we can move it forward and backwards. And we can move it all the way up to here if we need to.
So I was telling my psychiatrist, I was hearing voices in my head. He said, "You don't have a psychiatrist."
Okay, see the brand new spare tire I went and bought. I'll put a link in the description below for the spare tire. Mine are 14-inch, 215 75 14, and that's what I have on the trailer. So you want to match up your spare with exactly what you have on your trailer. You don't want to get down the road and realize your spare tire is too small or too large. All right, so I've got this on there, but I just realized, hear this? Now I'll show you, that's what I was talking about right there. Yes, so we're gonna have to slide this up this way just a little bit.
Fail.
I got that all mounted up and found out that it was still rubbing right here. So what I've decided to do is went ahead and backed the truck up, put it on, took the weight off of this, and we're gonna move this up to right here as far as we can go. All right, we're going to the front with it. I've worked a few minutes on getting these retightened. All right, just about finished. Moved everything. Okay guys, I found out I can buy myself about a smidgen of an inch by flipping the wheel around. So it's not very much because the offset, so it sticks further out this way, buys me about, seriously, about half an inch to an inch. Now I'm going to show you. All right, see our clearances. There's where I was worried, and man, we are tight, but we have you can't even get your finger in between there. But if I hadn't have flipped that tire around right here, it wouldn't have worked. We're all the way up against here, just about. I'm pretty close. I don't want to get too close. So we moved everything towards the truck this way. Moved the jack, and then we moved the tire mount. So you can see everything's about a solid, I'm gonna say 3 to 4 inches, like I said before. And we needed every bit of it, plus turning the tire around. I tried to go back there and mount it, couldn't do it. All right, so now we're gonna talk about theft. And you're like, Mike, somebody's just going to unscrew those 2 bolts and have them a free tire. And you're 100,000%, and you're 100% right, because if it's not bolted down with JB Weld or tack weld or lock nuts, wait a minute, put a link in the description. Check out Gorilla nuts, Gorilla locking nuts. That's what I've got on order right now. Went ahead and made the video without it because it's just an install video, but the Gorilla lock nuts. And if you guys don't have them, you see on the truck, mine's black, you can't really see, but they are a lock nut. So it prevents people from stealing your wheels on your truck or on your boat. All right, final look. Got just enough room here. So what I'm saying, guys, you're gonna have to make some alterations here and there, modifications, because this is a universal mount. I flip the wheel around to make it work, and you'll notice this plate is all up against this. On this type of wheel, it doesn't really matter if it scratches it or whatever, but you guys might have a chrome wheel, really nice, and you don't want to flip it around like this. I did notice a lot of guys are mounting their spare tires right in this area right here with just a big U-bolt that will go through the holes in the wheel and go through that. So that's also an option to mount it right there. It'll be out of the way. You can buy a spare tire cover that looks really nice, covers everything up, also protects it from dry rot out in the elements. But I found out too that thieves also like nice covers. So you got people that will either steal them or they'll cut them if they can't get it off there, like if you have a locking cable. So just, you know, if you're in a bad area, a lot of theft and problems at the boat ramp, then I would just suggest not going to that area. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the video of the spare tire install on the boat trailer. So if you guys got any questions, drop them below in the comments. I'm telling you, this is a must-have mod for any boat trailer or trailer. Anytime you tow anything, it needs to have a spare. Guys, head on over to my channel page, check out all of my other videos. I'm sure you'll find something over there you'll like. Do it yourself, how-tos, save you and me both money. That's what I'm all about. I'm not about taking stuff in and paying the man. So if we can get away with here in the driveway install, we'll do it. Catch you on the next video.